Super Coupe du Burkina.
Bukari,
by the Journalist Association.
Okay, Bukari, so are you confirming that Kamu Malo is not going to join Kumasi Asante Kotoko in Ghana?
Asante Kotoko in Ghana? No. Kamu Malo won't join, won't be at Kumasi. Because at the same time, he will coach AS Douane, the other team.
Okay, all right. Have there been any approach, or have you been previewed about any approach from Kumasi Asante Kotoko to bring Kamu Malo? Bukari?
Yeah.
Okay, I was trying to ask, have you heard about any approaches from Kumasi Asante Kotoko to sign Kamu Malo to become their next coach?
No, because Kamu Malo take the AS Douane, there are only 2 months. Only 2 months he seen at AS Douane. So we didn't hear about that. That Kamu Malo will coach Asante Kotoko. No, we didn't hear about that.
Okay. Thank you very much, Bukari Wadrego, and hopefully we meet soon at one of the CAF games.
Okay. Thank you.
Sompa Sports.
Yes, Abu Bukari Wadrego ni saso kono ho. Baby edi si ne ekoto aso na yekobusa ne se ono ankasa de man ba ayefe ne Kamu Malo or the omo national team ne call AFCON no. The suban te saying, the ne te saying. Na emi se ochechire mu mie hunu kwan a ofa so di ne djuma se oye coach a omugitumi ye pa se owosoro ye. Na emi se nyoma bi na anko ye na national team ne manager adwumade ne de ye den. Ede to wo. Na no ne ekobusa se Kumasi Asante Kotoko no Kamu Malo wa prepare se oba be di djuma na se no kure bi anim. Ana brand e fan Bukari Wadrego se no kure bi anim se Kamu Malo e ba be coach Kumasi Asante Kotoko. O se no kure bi anim. Na Kamu Malo akwakoje adwuma e wo AS Douane of Senegal 2 months nie. Na onjin tum se 2 months ni oba beje adwuma no ho e de aba be si aka na so oba beje na bench e de amakumasi Asante Kotoko ana misa so busa na biem se oje tum ye pa se Kamu Malo on be coach Kumasi Asante Kotoko no se no kre oje tum pa se Kamu Malo on be gina bench en fama Kumasi Asante Kotoko en be coach omo na ye ka say no o prepare so ba ko hia any opponent a omo free Bamako aso mu wi a omba be hia Accra Folk in as much baby Accra Folk e be delay in the CAF Confederations Cup Abu Dhabi be tie no no
anti be da se no ye Michael Akomia any Ramo Burkina Kokudi community I confirm Kamu Malo of course a former police commissioner say ne odi Burkina ba AFCON ni ejuma ba be ye say after game bi anko ya na boys no chomo say massa ye mini business we me ba Patrick Malo or a footballer to say one and a modern one Tuesday be your tinching. Ti or no nandino ye dino uncomo na do not linking to Krobia, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now so no Abuka ya confirm the Ames or one more Senegal team from AS Douane or New Mona Ebujuma na after no crown or money Bamako game number bono Zene AS Bamako any Douane Dobe no near Madidia. Obeba Ghana ha edi se coach kra konkone nkona ni me edi on ha to folk for ebeba babishia na oma bujuma no na aboana ne ma deda ye etimi eri amomo ententem so mamebo bobo afisem no so kama pa entimi enfama na jento aso na ye resere nema esi eko na baby jet Asamoah Gyan ne komodi die bi ebisa janze jana World Cup ba be baso na debi no ze bibia remne ye ya oba kaze we ready so be ba be ejuma de amon Ghana na nkomo di ja eni.
Anything can happen, you know. It has happened before, talking about Cameroon in 1994 or something, you know, with Roger Miller, you know, coming back from retirement to play in the World Cup. But I haven't retired yet. You know, I haven't announced my retirement. You know, I've been out for almost 2 years now. Due to injuries, due to shutdown of my body, you know, I just need to get my body back in shape, you know. So I've started training, of course, you know. So I need to just get back in shape, and then I see how my body reacts to playing competitive football. Talent-wise, everything is there already, you know. So I just have to prepare physically, and then I will see what happens.
Hatia no ya koma na as general captain Edema the Black Stars of Ghana. Apomodi etimeda tuja utieri oka eni di Romonsi 94 Cameroon ya bi. Ono boro watena fie beze enfie beye mienu na mienu no ohwesere na emesi kwa ahode na aba fem kakra bat oye hu adwuma ebo isanse ne talent ne de e ho tie consider bi ze beboa tie no ya koma ni no ni BBC Sport AD ni ema nso no watimi ahwebi na watie bi na after no e de bi zanse na na efe na so ye any omo mu ye adwuma no obi ne didi nkomo bisa se Ghana ebehia no for the World Cup na
I haven't spoken to anybody at all. You know, it's part of the plan. I just want to make sure I see how my body reacts first. Me and my manager, we've been talking behind the scene, you know, and everything. So we just have to make sure we know what we are doing, you know. So of course, everything is in progress. Everything looks positive, you know. So we'll see what happens. You know, there might be a surprise.
Atia no ye koma ne odi etudwa chezo obi amfre no komodi de bia nko so na mom no ebia anwasem bi ebetimi aba no ye komodi tudwa na after no ne ebia nse akwanya na bana akoba this time na Uruguay man no ya se nyo mu biemu na playing against Uruguay sene no so ebesi aye de amasa akwanya na ba.
It's Ghanaian motivation. You know, I've been in the game for a long time. You know, people outside know what they know what happened. You know, the whole world knows what happened. You know, when the draw was made and then they saw Uruguay in Ghana's group, the only thing that came in mind was revenge. You know, that is, and it's a normal thing. Ghanaians want revenge. You know, and personally, I just sat back and then I just smiled. You know, because I understand how the game goes. You know, things happen. You know, what happened in 2010 is behind me. You know, maybe there might be another opportunity. You know, and when the time comes and I'm part of the team and we play against Uruguay, you might never know what is going to happen. You know, we just have to be ourselves. And obviously, I'm human. You know, I have that back of my mind.
Hati Jaina na hoti sampa ochecheche ni zema bo ma na ma daye pa etimi erema ntino ohwe utie ya na ne wankasa wahwe odi atopono so anase bodi agunsene so na afi no wahwe say Asamoah Gyan yede no call World Cup na ebeboa ana Gyan ba be right tini memwa na wadidi hon koma na aboa na ne ma dade era manti baby jet na ne nkomodie no watimi era dan ya ne nyina mo ewramo etimi edi ama na odro safo sibosho ana na wadi nkomo akra etimiara fa PFAG omonsema ya omoka etimiara fa in place ya ne sika sem ne ade ndeda na nkomo ze no di etimiara fa
a standard salary, that's a minimum wage. Ghana and I set a minimum wage. We cannot set a minimum wage. It is what the state uses, is what we also run on it. But Chipsa and Co, they have forgotten to say, football is not about salary. He said you sign a performance agreement. When you sign contract and you have your winning bonuses of 4 matches and you are winning, somebody's 4 matches takes him to 1,200 plus your salary you get 1,500. Chipsa and Co have forgotten say yen etua utilities, yen e rent dine, yen etua health. The sponsorship was not meant for the players.
Ya no ye komo kakra na odro safo ebo mode etimi edi etudwa enso etimi edi rame wono na after no on send komo kakra efa on se ne players no edu bebi a ebi mu okra signing on fee na ba no pinpa no echeche ni semusi.
Players are being taken good care of. Player enticement fee about iPhone 13 Pro. What do I say? When the money gets finishing, then there's a problem. We, the executive committee, we've set a committee to put up a standard contract. Payment of players, minimum wage in Ghana, I had 300 as a 350 Ghana cedis. Until they share a contract, we said nobody should pay less than 350 Ghana cedis. Clubs are paying 10,000, 1,000, some 5,000, 4,000, 7,000. Clubs are paying. It's just some few clubs. Maybe we go into arrears. And Chiefs, the player Nicolas Opoku, is there The club in Italy were in arrest, or Tunisia, they were in arrest for so many months. He knows. So, if he's also doing football, no, as a person, or we say it's not easy to pay promptly, but we are trying.
Tia no ye command e hopo mo de timi ere tudwa ne nyina boa amane ma dadi mpe timi ere amom tia no ye nana safo dro na chese sibosho na ne wadidi di san command ne nyina boa amane ma koye pa etimi ede ama yehwe na club issues kakra ye mo bobo so etimi emfa ema na yorwani enso echemo heart folk omo aso ye amra ye confirm de mo shooter no ze ne omo transfer kan ze ye den technical director beba na waba be fa boboko na no ne omo ba be ejuma na boa amane ma koye pe amante ya mete no ne ko samo bodu ajeri atum sampa technical director bebo ne no ebegbo ejuma ese ba no oba no enye heart folk nkwana mo no areas no omo you team no obere no aboa na bibia enso akoye pretimi edi amom nchemu no kra cheze yese na nka the technical team ni zo omugiri se nei video analyst na omunya enke bebo am ejuma na timi aye mre edi amomo exams after game no o checking for so bi arerem ne ade na nka omunya obi no review mo mo a enke bebo am ne ma deda di imperial amom na nso no eye anko yesa ni ye bomodena yetimi ede technical data ababe reno aboa amane makwera mom ne 2 pm ruwani HMO Center Queen's School Park wa ayankufa kinse ba ko bekoso omne Revelation FC ene de bebo ani eno heart to folk na de boabo mo na nyambo anema ne de dadia etutua na kwera mom Thomas Partey ni team no na emeze weni e de won kran no owuramo no ani krum zo ba ko wa na yeboa amane ma de da yeso etimi ede emom ntie ne heart to folk omasoye ene edi san komo no menya ntie ene goalkeeper de ma Boboku from Temayuta your friend Jonathan Danso ono so adwene heart to folk enti no mo goalkeepers no emeze mu atrete amaba be yenso enti no ye de ekoso heart to folk komaso ya medi ewramu so no etimi edi ama na aboa na ntotoe no so etimi adadi wodwama so no dodo na gusu omo ye signing saudo na ene Emmanuel Keke medi kan confirm ede ma so be join FC Samates ayo official Keke Ramo FC Samates a okono wakwa ejuma etimi edi amomo insu atremanzu gusu ani omoto na emeze next season de insu atrebe de pa ezanze mabobo bosu bia de ama baba mahama football president ho Abbas Mohamed enso ne ho Richard Akrufi ono so ho Martinanchi enso ono so no ebo ejuma ene oma confirm Abranti efe ne Kwabna Kalala na Kalala dini de ene bo kopa nti Kwabna Kalala ewramu insu atreman okona wakwa akobwa na hihye no adeda yi kama so no etimi edi amomo na bibia enso etimi akoye so etimi era mom ntino join ya na chese Kalala no ene wewramu o defensive midfielder okono wakwa akobo omo nyom nko former player de Mabrikum Chelsea and afi so no Brekum Arsenal Abranti FN Amos Yeboa Piero na jeze Piero so no ewrama ni ono so ko akakobo ejuma etimi era man su atreman na nema daye pa etimi edi amom nti omo so omo nkomo no ene ye di aba be rama me di tudwa edi amana krobia Kumase Asante Kotoko krobia so ye said na ye di onkomo no yesi ne urama akrobia mpemfo ene CEO nankasa ewramu ani Sule Ali Muntari edidi nkomo na Ali Muntari nkomo yo ne kokodi ye no ena o ka che ne zeze ne obaba be join omo a mbehwe na aboapa na Africa no moko no niam deda ye etimi edi amomo omubehia no ezanso yobi a o experience ye pa na ball no ba bia bodu no oba no oba be lidi omo ana jese eboa ma bibia ekoye kama so no etimi edi amomo ntutie nkomo twetwe ni ma yezo omugiri sese we no ewuram ebebo omo ye pa eno ne ye de aba betodwa me de etudwa so no etimi area fi kotoko maso ye eno training no etimi ekoso enano panso ne sanko ekokuram ewianso no ebetimi asen akoso na yesi na otwi emra na wieye no na Uma Basiru ya bomode etimi a confirm any deal no so join the club ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko na Uma Basiru a former player de momo na ofiwo wabo adwuma de amagomu afete fa no da academy da eba be Ramo Kotoko ba ye no ba kumieru bi ena ofiwo na join the Karela na this year ball a wabbo no ama ye local team no okan bia oye adwuma etimi ere momo enti de mate no HSC no obeba na waba be Rama ye adwuma na Kotoko ne visa on sensem no na nkomo amadi ni cheze yezi no mu twen coach ba ku bi so obeba ba be Rama sana pre-season omako ene na adile omo kakra take sense no enti eno ne ye peme reporter me say timi aka na ese midfield abako so no ebe fi mo Abidjan na chese asek mi Musas omaso e no fi no aba be join the club no ne omo etimi abo ejuma nra ena Dr. Prosperity Ogum ebo modern and resignation letter no ekoko ram omaso ye a ene oma jeda tuma fanu no agye de atumze ejuma na nkasa no otu azu enyeye mezo mebe enyeye etu obi apene be bia tra na me pacho de etienie ene wo hwe sere ne masitie ene nkoma na me ba be didi na me pacho teams na mo pe Dr. Prosperity Ogum no emeze enye ejuma sabbatical leave anya ba mi coaching disesi agana de ese 1 year coach is your person trans no jojo no ho edwe no ho kakra zo beba na nya de be we but obade ba kwa kosua de e wo Germany na wakwa courses awdo na ebeboa na ne makwera manager potentially owe coach ejuma na obana debi yen Black Stars yi obetimi ababa be bia mana yeye na ne ma akwera momuntino be Ramo Dortmund na wakwa kusua de no na ne ma deda yi so etimi era mana yese asa na o check car club ne dina almost 140,000 Ghana cedis enkanisika no be ze 1.4 billion na jeze ano eden kakra na ebosome no makomako enum na sika ne mbaedi coach eda so yusu kotokoka no na mum pacho coach nkoka ase mumfa di sika mba onfa ka ne mamo na mum ka ne wo coach wo bosumi num na emeze siska no kwa na waba be hand over dia mo bia na aboa na bibibia so no etimi adeda dedi nti sa perepe na coach nkomo no isietie na mumfa mi Ramo London na me pacho Niama did that dana kwama ene East London CH Club omo na did the London Football Gala Festival no ababa bebaze na no resere niama isietia yewo East London Club e wombi yewo Telemore club e wombi na North London FC yewo Woolwich FC omo nyina teams ebeko akwa jam no omo etimi abo sa tournament kese no na nyambo on the 28th August 2022 energy pene etimi atodwa yesi atonsa fre Ghana for no and afi obi bia London Patomo se fa obra bishim venu na nkasa no orwani chemo Costume House Park E16 3JN hone betimi akoso yeso ye Ghana ni uba aboabo anwo izazo mo chihye mu no Obama e free untweska obedidi kwa anom kwa uya ne asen aboso ama nso no wetimi asa kama pa dime pacho eni makadama few opempa na de niam no eguna kwa mo amo London no the London Football Gala Festival rametimi era magana for na aboa na ntutu na koye pa etimi ediama no so ye de orwani chema Ghana for wa ma no ne London no mo de ababa betudwa de ewramo etimiera manti apostle ma me shase wo so na yemramu kakra ne hwese de honsem ne sietie.
Well, Abumi, that's a quick one. Me nimsa sem no meka coach
apostle about Christian Achu.
Yes.
On a Samuel Jan issue ya ne no reason say World Cup ne na head of akoto. I say Anna at Samuel Jan with his last wish. That's Christian Achu, former Black Stars. Yeah, ringa no just we there. Emeze was so more no more ye panini na koma swadi chato man because I'm watching the legend. Oh
yes.
Asa, bibintia a community me to corner to channel asa.
Bibia 150 asebia we mresa.
Oh, and here no cre ready ninkaso.
Yeah. Patrick, Osha, Coach Malo in Samia, a ban a calf, a USSM Orches. Ebe boy FC Kadiogo ewo omo stadium no ena omo coach ono angasa odidi referee na tem so we are confirm according to CAF report omo indicate say or can say coach report no say can say corrupt nti we coach peketa she send prayer pa I mean keke bi kire no ena supporters no so far abo ne 12 bottles e bobo referee no a crowd until more banning. What the reason why mom born is a ban a calf there to stadium no stadium no so until I'm to be bobo hono and because of that crowd calf banning or no coach for 8 matches so on don't touch like so that explains it and that ban is they are still serving the ban until them are to me and bobo so now my main call Asamoah Gyan there no so first for me Ghana the best striker. We've had strikers, but at the biggest stage, Yanya Obia or deliver to Asamoah Gyan. The biggest stage. I'm talking about AFCON and the World Cup. It's the biggest stage. The biggest stage is the World Cup. What do you say? And it's delivered. I mean, score more goals at the World Cup than Eto. What do you say? That's the level. And so the biggest Mundial we are saying, and time about Legon City, he had issues with injury, recurring injury. I believe that say a behia player pipa who need him. But needing him no ejuma. You see, goal scoring a arts, movement, attack friend dashing, and instincts. The same as Samajan, the conditions are a bit different now there. But okay, 2015, you were no panier, Ghana, Algeria. We needed a savior. One of the veteran, experienced centre backs Africans put General Majid Bugera. Or no best South is here. 1v1 as Samajan. So okay, it's a good.
The guys are good. Now you are they qualify COVID.
Yeah.
Born Senegal.
No, you have faith. No, you have faith. At the World Cup level, the presence alone, a headache for any team. Even look, when we are going to play Uruguay, Portugal, because of Niawaye at the biggest stage, and they know what is capable of doing. The movement alone creates headache. The presence, Emma coaches Tipaya ahead of that game. Not necessarily what the output will be. But Minyayanka, let's get him based on a certain arrangement. Let's get him some club activity and have special training for him to get him reasonably fit and conditioned. One thing about Samajan is that a daring player. Then he a dang. He can play through pain. So Anemana attack fast rise, he has some of that.
Baby jet.
Yeah. What is it? He's a fighter.
So Uruguay has put a mechanism in place. So Luis Suarez and Cobo Nacional just because of the World Cup.
That is what I'm saying. We should
And not to almost Uruguay.
Only a dancing Cavani now. Or more per clubs now to be ready for the World Cup.
Yeah.
Because next generation, no. I couldn't Adane head button master. Matarazzi go fast yabem. Zidane Nyaketwano. So Ja World Cup no man kwa mana. Na jiku ko enemy ensa na opem na. Egu.
Baby I say what destroy everything.
Destroy everything.
Yeah.
Sadashe man. So ntino
taking the time.
Anamo omotuo. Omo obi a nka nipa kro no na ebo. No mu ni ho.
Right to have such clinical players.
Diego Lugano.
Hey, Lugano.
I'm in about 2010. No, I am power.
Yeah.
But no one say Gordon Mo are taking over.
Yeah.
Scotty. All these guys in the team.
Jose Jimenez.
Midfield, Nandia Obopaye, Diego Perez. But now, Akokra, Egidio Arevalo Rios. Nitruma Passano.
The
last man, Abuja Penny.
What Jerry
On the last man, so a back critical, winning World Cup. No.
Yeah.
A brew boy.
Yeah.
Honestly, I say Diego Lugano. And no more than the buy. It's fine. Sasamojan Benya Club B. Now a bar by sad and I mean, problem. It has been done before. In the been see then ye. Name say if his body is not in shape.
And
I didn't know say
and they ain't me fanunko. There should be a proper.
Okay, I said Asamojan Nebe and Nesule Muntari year or hearts now. Nka we a conversation.
There be.
Obama Kotoko. The biggest club in the country. With the biggest hype machine. We in Kenya conversation.
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna see?
Oh, bra.
A secret. A secret. Because like an attack, I ain't me for no cockeke. I mean, sad list or said no qua, you benyan home for so reasonably. And as much as Achuka Anna, and we don't Anna on the silver platter, Anna for the purpose of say Anna, at least I said no koi, work up near Kono, Ghana, Anya Shuka, Kokota Fanaza, 20. What do I say? And so they say, I know work up near bar. Yeah, come on, betting me a boy, this about second round of 60 and a quarter final Ghana, a baby, the account. Because you are bida. And we've not be bad. Look, you call your first World Cup 2006. We went to the round of 16. That was our maiden edition. You're not that bad. And so, Asamoah, yes, and it dies sooner. For me, I believe that the federation should also together hand with the manager Sami and Asamoah should sit down. Because at the end of the day, Okobo Blastana World Cup, a year idea from this difficult group that we find ourselves in a year on minor and therefore, so they mind football also. And so we should do that. For him, if we think that based on the condition, let's look at the physical conditions here. Or you're ready and our body know you're ready. Or they say Obama Bibi Kakra out of himself, So we should on one kind of question or assessing or yeah no for so say educate then the FA can also pick it from there. Yeah, and it can be done.
I can't say you ba 3 to 4 na ma mo ahwe. Na no draw safu in on clears na na wa hwa ma na me family na academy bishop kakra. Ya ba we na memo ahwe. Ana wo ada
Nana Subroso ye cha
brabu kakra
ata on cha wofa
me wofa Nana Subroso so obi abe you am akra nyame it ni me mum de me da so wa busuanum dendende a enkomo na yedi odoma ho no na ye de etwa so no na wofa me hu wofa wofa se a omukoto ba ya cha o si twema me wofa ni di wofa ni di me no di wi a na waba so me kwa me hwe mu nya wofa no di nya yi
over there
enya wofa ba
ila
wofa o she jeans na wabobo anu no a she lofa ubisa ne de no ye o se ye wasembe na wofa se ni o ye wofa titra ntino ofa obetime nka nyamenim nukreni wohwe mu pa abrabo no atra sa brena mejo 800 million mejo 700 million mejo 900 million sa ero no etwam also mu free football no as a player is judged by the amount not his output or performance enye nia oye kwakuso wate ase na mum se me ata o ma me 100,000 Ghana 1 billion assigning on fee na o ma me 1,500 bosumi bia look what's the me o otase nti asema odro safo kan ya asema sebi ye nyina ya dwen hu yie kwachire de adwuma ebeboa na mom football class bet medi no kra mom ho ana me nje signing on fee bosumi bia ma me 6,000 Ghana me se maje 6,000 Ghana no cost net house you me basic near 600 5,004 no na allowances into be twa me net on 600 what's this me
yeah
I know dan chen ya makọ 3 months salary man ko bisa ya season no ko break into na metifie ntino sabi se o pese o kan sem we kwachira meti odros afọ asepa e ya de ba kwa opokunti e na sha ase bo hu de rubra na okotoko no asiyo say look ye nyai size ka kese de ma players ni ntua on kwa de start facing off no with the NFL pro rata so mo jitum to ma 300 million 1 year no ma 100 the next year no ma 100 the third year no ma 100 so what I say ntino nyamianum no kreni edin nemum we ade o se clubs ni nyina ba kotoko say bi na o run on na ya run
yeah
so it's very good ya nyabu tre nyai sa sika botan matam sika kese ama player matam sika kese ama player na e chebi no e ba be ha clubs na nkasa because look baby a clubs never so nyes kase sia no pe ho mani ho anjo
na uzo wani abrepa
baby a clubs never so nyes sika no e din yi enyemre e din pa nte oso to anamo a emu edin emu edru so betimi aye na wanya sika e de ama ho nti no ohwa no ahwe sa side no so it's very very necessary hwemani moja mbre no sa bre we yo kwaku hwemani moja hwemensam moja sika ni ho sisi ana ye wo mu mitua 500 cedis a month 400 cedis a month akamu 3 months then e kire se me de 4,000 mitua
hono so ni asem no
nemum sa wonye me 100,000 Ghana team ni timeji 80,000 na player ni so odi 80,000 nti player na obete say 800 million ama team say ton no ne bu anka say 1.6 billion team na je abuche sa de ni bi ni ho nemum omo na dure ni mu chen yen baby ayen wo no ye bonkro oma tra ho dadaada nti afei ne yenso ye betutu ya na mon kakra say betimi eduru ho nemum ye nya nduru ho no ye wo kwan e wo se fa so na ye bo ye mbra yie football clubs are my biggest problem is kasem. Adame no ntona chairman George Famous ataya dey fa hin asem na kan. Look, so unya static card ni sisu twin. Say o ko bo matcha. E kan ko an ko zo be kwa ba. O to fuel, o to nsuo, o to sei, o ko da ha. Look. Enough for more. Bra.
Jeffy. Yeah, we know so many finding bonus. And the Uko Peligaje like attack, Mamma Diana Peligaje. The more we win, so now Sunday Tipa Cassia, because the more we winning bonus on the Totos. What the American say? But only league was up.
Minimum club administrator, yeah, or accumulating points not transfer calculation who's there. Babia do no. Or no. Or Barry if you discuss about beer will be a shell. Yeah, because that's reality. Scala on the bar affiliate. Bonus is so big. Emu bear 0.2. No affair affiliate or Jack is a bistro. Ajumana a Miami fee. My manager de my share. Refinate oh for Kiaba the show more now there. Was it Dabi? Where there is a back on the lane?
5,000. Now my SM. I know yes and say me 500 18.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I'm a coach in technical team. I 25. Nearly 5,000. And 1 year they are me could try 10,000 and over.
Yeah.
Did you will?
No, football nankasa and answer me too full. Member at the end year. Mamma Casanco.
She.
My band was that.
I'm a breath pa.
Cow
suffer a lot.
What's a got to conquer ball takwa? Hotel Bedjon. A Didier Bedjon. Full Bedjon. Operations Bedjon. We are. We need bonus. They occupy a risk. The amount for Megu came at the Omokobo ball, baby. See a bit drew, see you, see baby. Yamen Kwan. Into look, young football, they say, Bibema is Sika Mema. Say Yanni a bay and touches. Tactics. Who can see ya? Adidas just young can show them out.
Oh, yeah, Mobeshepa. Obeshe.
But Mafru for it to me send you email, no, my catch on say, baby, I may want. Debbie, your pennies here. Mafru, Momo by mammy pressure. Abanza.
Also, more pressure.
Because Minisika make or talk it.
Dabi.
Look, that's the situation we find ourselves in. Look, understand the realities of football. Football, no more than Kroman. So, try and yeah, my back could be a fem. I'm wanting $600,000 beer. Overturn Ufio Mania. Say, a status say, do Sika. Now, Mamma Ben and catch your old and you bring your back could be. Unya play about conton. No, Babby Tikana Wabon. What is I can we until over $600,000 from play away? Or say, Pama, mania 1 million, mania 2 million euros. What is on the carabo? And some of our tons are playing. Imwe ya.
Yo, baby, my person I will shoot out on so be na same with the Ramuye. Now we them say quite Coco Faba last time Komobina na ye didi on say division 1 ni division 2 ni division 3 for no. Eton players more moko. Na ska bambe pri be premier for di no menim say we ba ye be Ramuye pa. Obetimi atwene na so ro wadwen chena ba 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 na so no ro wadwen chena no etimi abana abo na ne ma dadi pa cho odi ene baby akasa fi. Good morning, sir. Ajo meet you.
I did my ordinary payment and I buy so to players to do a send up. One of your mama. And as the person who said, something we are to do a send up for the class.
Ate me ba be ye jumana ma kama pa why. Mate me da se no so there. Odi ene baby akasa fi.
I can do the medical because I said
medical meet you.
Where they put you a kind of deal, my giant, where they want you now, Panacho.
Matemedas medical. But I don't hear the baby Akasafi. Hello. I'm sorry, you're me for Buana. But I don't hear the baby Akasafi.
Abu Dhabi.
Yes, sir.
Abu, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Abu, me patch on man 18 me do have kuku.
Meet you.
Abu, I'm saying, Kunandi Yadum, a case, you know, and I pay my information. Be said, was 3 years ago at the Amata House of Food. And of course,
I can't cry.
Okay, Abu Yamisha was Jumapa, a community so many general papa, I say, what the bishop, Sompa, Yamisha,
Omuna or Matsonka, Mepacho, Tiani baby Akasafi.
About the further Facebook was exposed. I'm going to my friend Gamma. Awurade Nyankopɔn nhyira mo. Na atafoku akyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm ama yɛhu sampa football ɔkasa wo yɛ a ɛnyɛ ade ketewa saa. Bibia bi ada